So we are at the extrusion area of Boston Scientific. This is where the engineers manufacture products that help create life-changing tools for patients. Kim is a manufacturing engineer who supports not just one, not two, but 3 manufacturing lines and some modeling support areas. So let's go grab her real quick. So Kim, can you tell us a little bit about what you do here at Boston Scientific?
I'm a manufacturing engineer here at Boston Scientific. I work in this area, which is our extrusion floor. Everything I make gets sent somewhere else to be assembled and then created into a finished good.
So this is where I work on the extrusion floor. This is an extrusion line. What we have here is what we call the core. This is the material that will be inside of our extruded plastic so that it keeps its shape as we make it. The laser is measuring it to see how big it is so we know we're making the right parts. And then we keep going and we get to the extruder. So this is the cool part.
The extruder sounds awesome.
So this big thing here is an extruder. And you can see our core is coming into the extruder head. And as it leaves, it's coming out with our extruded material on it. So it's got that purple plastic over it. When we're done with this, we'll take out the core here. We'll have a hollow catheter that a doctor can use in your body. All of this are the steps that go into making this catheter. And so this is the part the doctor will hold, and this is the part that'll go into your body.
Like Captain Hook.
And all this is made right here.
In this floor, yep.
So, what kind of got you into doing this?
I was always really hands-on as a kid. I loved science experiments. I loved being outside. I had teachers and parents and everyone telling me all through middle school and high school that you're going to be an engineer. And I was like, what is an engineer? Engineers get to invent and experiment and play and create new solutions that don't exist. And I was like, that's really fun.
Yeah.
Engineering school is not very fun, but the job is really fun.
Yeah.
So push yourself, get through college, and it's so worth it. Every day is a new challenge, a new experiment. Everything that exists right now, how can you make that better? How can you make it different? Think outside the box in everything you do in your life, and then you'll get there.
Wow.